Coloring with Papa.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Taba channel. Today we are going to draw the Pocoyo and its best friend Pato. So let's draw with me. First I draw the Pocoyo who is hugging its best friend. Now I draw the best friend's big eyes. Here I'm drawing the nose of Pocoyo, eyes and a smiley mouth. Now I'm drawing the big cap of Pocoyo. Awesome! Two best friends are hugging together. Now it's time to color them. So let's get begin. I take the light blue color first to color the Pocoyo's hat and its dress. Friends, are you coloring with me? I love coloring and drawing. Do you? Now I take light pink color to color the Pocoyo's face.
A silver nutmeg and a golden pear. The King of Spain's daughter came to visit me, and all for the sake of my little nut tree.
It's time to color his mouth with red. I take yellow hair.
Her dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair. She asked me for my nutmeg and my golden.
Then I take dark green for his head.
I said, so fair a princess never did I see. I'll give you all the fruit from my little nut tree. I danced o'er the water, I danced o'er the sea, and all the birds in
Lastly, I take orange.
couldn't catch me.
I take Peach here.
Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair.
Now friends, I take the black marker to make the drawing more vibrant.
Mary, Mary, quite content.
Awesome! If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.